In June this year, June 2023, the British School of Excellence organised the most wonderful immersive tour into London, the London Experience, where we had incredible guests. And on Ladies' Day, for Royal Ascot, we convened outside the Mayfair Chesterfield Hotel. We had a big bus organised. Our guests were looking absolutely phenomenal right across the board. And there were these two lovely ladies that were not part of our party that were standing on the pavement pondering on how they were going to get to Ascot. Anyway, I went over and introduced myself and I said, if I may ask, you look like you're going to Ascot. And they said yes. And I said, well, how are you planning on getting there? And the ladies said to me they weren't quite sure. And immediately I just said, well, jump on the bus with us, get on. We're going to Ascot. We'd love to have you accompany us to Ascot. And having gone back to pick up post and various things from our office in Mayfair in London, there was this beautiful letter written to us, or to me, from an amazing lady called Polly Singer. And I remember meeting Polly and her friend, and this letter arrived, and it's just absolutely unbelievable and so thoughtful. It says, "Dear Mr. Sykes, I would like to thank you for the kindness that you extended to my friend and I during our recent trip to England. You were so kind to invite us to travel on your coach to Ladies' Day at Royal Ascot. When we met you that morning in front of the Chesterfield Hotel, I was concerned regarding travel to Ascot. When you extended the invitation to travel with your group, our concerns were banished. One of the things that has impressed me with your company is that kindness and helping others seems to be a theme. It has certainly made me more aware of those I can help and look for those opportunities. Wishing you continued success. Warm regards, Polly." And that again is just so touching, and I really thank you, Polly. And it was only a true pleasure to have you and your lovely friend on the coach with us. I hope to see you next year.